I'm Karen, and I head the customer service department here at STEGO Incorporated in Atlanta, Georgia. As you know, supply chain has been on the forefront of every economic article and business discussion in recent months. It seems that every industry has been impacted in one way or another. What once took 1 to 3 weeks to deliver is now taking up to 12 weeks. And unfortunately, thermal management is no different. So how does STEGO continue to support its customers' needs? Well, I've been with STEGO for over 22 years, and I've learned a few things that put STEGO above the rest.
STEGO's mission statement is, we're in the business of exceeding customer expectations through simply innovative thermal management solutions, quality, and exceptional customer service. We achieve this by research and development, product availability, and building relationships both internally and externally. Our direct communication efforts with our suppliers allow us to source inventory, plan logistically, calculate stock quantities, and meet cost objectives. However, exceptional customer service means that you go above and beyond what people expect. We take that extra step to make our customers feel that we understand what they're going through, and we want this to be the best experience they ever had.
Our entire STEGO family of experts is willing and able to assist with any need that may arise in order for our customers to get what they need when they need it.